talk about politics now, because the SIR, or the Special Intensive Revision Purge, seems to be accelerating rapidly, especially in the upcoming state of West Bengal, where assembly elections will be held, as illegal migrants are lining up to the borders of Bangladesh. Now, the ongoing SIR has sparked significant reverse exodus. And yet, what is truly concerning Mamata Banerjee is the appeal writing to the Election Commission to halt this exercise. Citing the unfortunate deaths of booth-level officers, the Bengal Chief Minister has urged the Chief Election Commissioner to take swift action to prevent further loss of lives caused by stress and pressure associated with the SIR initiative. Where Mamata Banerjee says that the situation surrounding the ongoing exercise has reached a deeply alarming stage, where she asserts that the manner in which the exercise is being conducted and it is being forced upon officials and citizens is not only unplanned but also chaotic and dangerous. Now, on the other hand, the border situation, as we get you this reality check, illegal Bangladesh national seems to be fleeing Bengal, admitting that they entered India wrongfully.
क्यों SIR से डर से?
हाँ, मेरा तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है, भारत का इनलीगल कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है, पेपर्स भी नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने चला जा रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, अभी इस SIR के डर से जा रहे हो वापस?
मेरा एक लड़का है,
हाँ।
उसको बहुत डर लगता है, उसको कुछ हो जाएगा तो इसलिए मैं घर जा रहा है।
तो अभी क्यों वापस जा रहे हो?
इन्हीं से चालू हो गया, इसलिए हम वापस जाना चाहेंगे। मेरा देश तो यहाँ पे नहीं है
जी,
मेरा देश बांग्लादेश है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स बांग्लादेश है,
हाँ जी,
इसलिए हम चला जाएंगे।
जा रहे इसीलिए जो अभी जो मांग रहा वोटर कार्ड 2002 का, तो हम लोग तो यहाँ का है नहीं, हम लोग तो बांग्लादेश का है, तो हम लोग का पास तो है भी नहीं जी, तो इसीलिए जा रहे।
SIR तो हो रहा है
जी,
ये एक बात है, और मेरा पूरा फैमिली है मेरे साथ, तो उन लोगों को लेकर तो मैं कोई रिस्क नहीं ले सकता।
Today Times Now have reached Madhyam Gram's 3rd number ward at the Vishwaspara, where my VJ Sharbajit shows you around, and you can see vacant land where they have been settled for over 10 to 20 years now have been left in peace. You can see that their belongings, the houses that they were staying in are now locked. There are locks which are now hanging outside their doors that you see, and they have left their houses. This colony has been occupied by more than 100 to 200 people, as we get to understand speaking to the neighbors, and they have been settled out here for more than 10 years, which is over a decade. Now, this decade cannot be a settlement over a decade cannot happen without the administration's knowledge. So when the neighbors speak to Times Now, they have told us that after the exercise of SIR that has begun out here, the Purasabha, which is the municipal corporation, has handed these people who have settled out here illegally and used to work as rag pickers or sweepers in various households, and that is how their income was settled too. They have been handed with papers to leave, and not only handed papers, but more have also left due to the fear that has been caused by SIR, because these people did not have legal documents to stay out in India, but yet they had settled out here illegally for more than a decade or so.
Well, Hridita is connected with us. Hridita, good morning. We've been playing out your ground reports. What has been your experience, if you want to tell us exactly, when it comes to interacting with individuals who are not Indian citizens, but are they actually participating in the Indian processes as far as elections are concerned?
Well, absolutely. Yesterday being the third place where we had visited to find out the illegal immigration encroachments, we have found out that most of the facts which have been coming out from the opposition and calling this a vote bank for Mamata Banerjee, if the vote bank factor is not proven, but of course the factor of Bangladeshis who are staying out here illegally has been proven time and again in front of Times Now's camera. At the time when we have got people from Rajarhat, Newtown saying that we have settled out here illegally and we wanted to come to India for better income. We have also got people from the border area who have said just because we do not have paper now, we cannot put our lives at risk, and hence we are fleeing away. And yesterday from Madhyam Gram, we have got the visuals where we see that the entire village or the entire colony where around 100 to 200 people were staying have now been left as a ghost colony. It has become vacant by the people, and hence the neighbors have also told us that the municipal corporation was aware, and after the exercise has begun, the paper or an order was imposed on them, and therefore they have left. So now this entire blame game that has been going on comes to some certainty, where we understand that nothing happened without the knowledge of the
I think the blame game that you are talking about, just going to mention that as far as politically how this, this reverse exodus drive is now playing out in West Bengal. Please to stay on with us, Ridhita, because as far as the angle of SIR is concerned, it will be the Supreme Court today that will be hearing separate petitions that have been filed by the Kerala government, the IUML, and further asking for the deferment of this exercise in the state. Now, the parties have cited potential administrative breakdown in process that continues alongside local body elections. They maintain that simultaneous process could lead to a strain on human resources, besides resulting in an administrative impasse. Now, in a strong rebuttal to Mamata's writing this letter to the CEC, BJP Shubhendu Adhikari sent a detailed letter to the Chief Election Commissioner countering her claims. He maintains that Mamata's letter is not about projecting genuine voters or the BLOs, but instead of a panic-driven attempt to protect lakhs of alleged bogus voters and illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators. The BJP says that the SIR in Bengal is the need of the hour.
We have followed up on the September signing of a bilateral.
Well, the SIR that seems to have triggered this exodus, Bangladeshi immigrants now thronging border checkpost in Bengal, and multiple of them who have now admitted on cameras that they are illegal immigrants. They entered India illegally years ago and managed to obtain even Aadhaar cards and voter cards in some cases, as far as even have been casting ballots in multiple elections. And Ridhita, now they are seeking to return. But what happens there at the border areas are we looking at? Even as they are attempting to return to Bangladesh, are they being caught by the agencies?
Well, absolutely. The border areas are now noticing all about 300 to 500 people gathering and surrendering themselves on everyday basis. Now, the Rajarhat and the Madhyamgram area is very near to the North Chobbish Parganas Hakimpur checkpost, which has observed this kind of force and gatherings over the period. Now, the BSF is holding of them and taking them to the BSF camps, which is nearby, so that they do not need to suffer due of hunger and sitting out in the cold in the area, in the open areas. So they are, an account of them has been taken down. The names are being registered, their fingerprints, their retina checks, everything has been taken down into notice by the BSF as they are taken from that very Hakimpur checkpost to the BSF camp, which is near about 500 meters from there. Also to understand that the border is only 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers from the checkpost, and there were so many loopholes that lacked a fence in that area, that they had also intruded or trespassed through the area without the notice of BSF. That is what most of them has in fact admitted in front of Times Now's camera.
All right. Thank you very much, Ridhita, for getting us that update. As far as on cameras, multiple of them, these are Bangladeshi immigrants there. However, holding legal documents, in fact, for India. But right now they are in a situation and a state of panic, and they have now been forced to return to their rightful place.